Welcome back to my channel, gorgeous people. Hope you're all having an amazing day. Hope you're having an amazing week as well. Thank you all for your likes. I thank you for your comments. Thank you for your subscriptions. Thank you to my old and my new subscribers. I appreciate you all. God bless you all. If today is your first time coming across my channel, please don't forget to subscribe and do turn your notification bell in order for you to know whenever I upload. So for today's video, it's my very simple and easy sultry Valentine makeup look with outfit, okay? And if you like to see how I achieve this look, please do continue watching. If you like this video, could you please give it a thumbs up? If you haven't subscribed, like I said, please do subscribe and please that bell, turn it on so you can know whenever I upload. Please, if you like this tutorial, don't forget like, subscribe, share, okay? There's nothing wrong in sharing, okay? The more the merrier. So let's jump right into this video without wasting much of your time. Bam bam bam. So I already did my brows off the camera and I primed my eyelid with the Urban Decay eye primer. The eyeshadow palette I'll be using today is by BH Cosmetics, the Glam Reflection. This one is called Glided because they have different collection. I actually have all the collection, but this is the first time I'll be using from this very one. And I'm going to start with this shade right here. Right there. Then I'm moving into this, then we top up with this one. So we'll go ahead and blend. Use the same brush. Then I will go in with this shade. Go in with this shade. Go ahead and blend it. Now I'm going to go into the darker one, this one right here. I'm going to go ahead and blend. Now I'm going to go ahead and put the last shade on the remaining part of my lid. So I really want this the last eyeshadow to kind of pop out a little bit, but applying with the first brush, it didn't work for me. It's the wrong size of brush to use on that part of my eyelid because it's very small. So I pick up another one and I decided to wet it so that the eyeshadow can pop out a little bit more. You all see the difference? Liquid eyeliner that I'll be using today is by Broadway 24-hour liquid eyeliner, and it's, of course, it's in black. So I popped in my first lashes off the camera. If you all can tell, you can't see the wing liner that I did, right? Wing eyeliner. It's the eyelashes style that I chose already defeated the purpose of the wing eyeliner. But what will I do? I'm going to move on with this makeup look. I'm going to use this cream highlighter. I'm going to mix it up with my the highlighter concealer that I'll be using. So this is the mixture. Now I'm going to set my highlighter part of my face with Kat Von D setting powder as well. I'll move ahead and contour with the contour stick by Fenty Beauty.
Let go. Yeah. Don't know. Oh yeah.
It's the original Batman.
One time, it's a bad man thing. It's body, baby. VQs, let's go.
VQs. I'ma make you bounce like a hurricane. I'ma make your bed rock like a hurricane. I'ma do it like nobody can. And I'll give you all the things.